Hello everyone, welcome to WillieDeans Kitchen. Today we're going to make some Southern style chicken Creole, and we have some ingredients laid out here in front of us. So of course we have some diced chicken breasts. That's the first thing we have here in this large bowl. Then we have the holy trinity of chopped celery, chopped onions, and some chopped bell pepper right here. We're just going to move these back a little and show you our seasoning mix. We have some Cajun seasoned spice in here. We have some sugar, and we have some black pepper here. We have some chopped garlic in this bowl here. We have some, the recipe calls for bacon, but I like to use country ham. So I have some diced country ham here in this bowl, and I have some thyme and 2 bay leaves over here. So we have approximately a half a cup of each of these holy trinity, the bell pepper, the onions, and the celery. Now to go with the Creole, we have a can of crushed tomatoes that we're going to add to this. And we have some chicken stock here, some homemade chicken stock that I made up. And we're also going to serve this with rice. So I have 1 cup of uncooked rice right here in this bowl. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start putting this together. We got to saute off some ingredients first and then let it simmer down and get a nice flavor and taste to it. Okay everyone, so we have our skillet here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add just a little bit of oil to the skillet, and we're going to add our country ham here. We're going to saute this off, render it down, render the fat out, and then we're going to move to our chicken next. Okay, so now that we've rendered the fat out of this country ham, we're going to remove it from the pan. And you can smell that country ham flavor. And it's going to add a little salt to our dish with that smoky flavor as well. So our next step is we're going to go ahead and add the chicken to the pan. A little more oil there. And we're just going to add this chicken right in here. We're going to brown up the chicken. Okay, so our chicken's been browning for about 3 minutes. We're going to remove this from the pan, and then we're going to add our vegetables. Okay, now we sauteed off our vegetables, and we added our country ham back to the pan. What we're going to do is I'm going to deglaze with a little bit of wine here. Pour that in there. It gives us a little more flavor. And then we're going to add our tomatoes right into the pan. We have some garlic here. I'm going to add that back to the pan. Add this to the pan as well. And our chicken stock. Just going to mix this all up in here. Okay, so we've been letting our sauce simmer for about 5 minutes here. What we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken now. And we let the sauce simmer a little before because we want to build up the flavors for the sauce. And what we have here right now is a nice Creole sauce. So we're going to add the chicken back to the pan. And we're going to let this cook down for about another 20-25 minutes till the sauce is nice and thick. and the chicken is cooked all the way through. Okay, so here's our Creole after simmering for 20 minutes. You can see our sauce is thick, nice thick sauce here over the chicken. So now we're going to do our finishing seasoning on this. So the chicken was already salted, peppered with some garlic powder as well. We're just going to take a quick taste here. Definitely has enough salt, and we're going to add just a little bit of black pepper to this. So the Creole's ready to go. What we're going to do now is we're going to get our rice together, and we're going to get this plated up. Okay, so here is our Chicken Creole served over some white rice, and I garnished it with a little bit of chopped parsley. So we're going to give it a taste here, but it looks really good. The sauce is thickened up nice. You can see it's sticking well to the chicken, so it has a nice thick consistency like a spaghetti sauce. So let's just go in here, get a piece of chicken and rice. Okay, that tastes really good. I can taste the smokiness of the country ham, the spiciness of the Cajun spice and the Creole spice that's in there. The tomato flavor along with the vegetables have come out really good. The chicken is nice and tender. So this is a really good dish. I hope you try this at home. It's easy to prepare. You notice we did the Chicken Creole in one pot, and then we cooked another pot of rice. So I want to thank everybody for viewing. I hope you have a nice day, and we'll see you next time.